Do you want to know how to make Africa food? This channel is for you. Keep on following and keep on subscribing. Let's get started, guys.
SF Kitchen TV, a place where you can enhance your cooking performance, a place where you can learn how to cook very well, learn how to cook African dishes.
Hello guys, welcome back to Blessed Kitchen TV. I greet you according to your time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and depending on time you are watching this video. So today's recipe, I'll be making Egusi soup. Yes, Egusi soup. So here is my ingredients. I have my palm oil, and I have my vegetable. Yeah, this is bitter leaf, and I have my salt, my mangi, pepper, and crayfish. And here is my egusi, grounded and with grounded crayfish as well. And here is my onions. So I'll put the onions and this inside here. Then later on, I'll add my vegetable. So keep on watching as I'm doing it.
Blessed Kitchen TV, place where you can learn your cooking skills. Blessed Kitchen TV, 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 a place where you can enhance your cooking performance, a place where you can learn how to cook very well, learn how to cook African dishes, learn how to cook African dishes. Blessed Kitchen TV, 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 a place where you can learn how to cook, a place where you can enhance your cooking performance, a place where you can learn how to cook as a good housewife, as a young girl, as a young brother, as a young bachelor, as a young spinster. Blessed Kitchen TV channel. Let it be frank. Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV. Alright, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, a place where you can learn how to cook, a place where you can enhance your cooking performance. Alright, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, oh, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV. Alright. Blessed Kitchen TV, place where you can learn your cooking skills. Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV, Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. A place where you can enhance your cooking performance. A place where you can learn how to cook very well. Learn how to cook African dishes. Learn how to cook African dishes. Blessed Kitchen TV. 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 Blessed Kitchen TV, a place where you can learn how to cook. A place where you can enhance your cooking performance. A place where you can learn how to cook as a good housewife, as a young girl, as a young brother, as a young bachelor, as a young spinster.
So my soup is ready, and I don't like my egusi to over dry water, so I don't like it. If you like yours to over dry water, just be adding water here. If you cannot, I know a lot of people don't time water, gauge water, so if you cannot gauge it, just be adding the water little by little, and maybe the water you cook me with, if you feel like it is too much, just reduce it and pour your egusi. Cover it, don't turn it, just cover it to be there, and don't forget to put your gas in a medium heat. In a medium heat, then leave your egusi to be dry. I don't like my egusi, if I'm eating, it's not wetting. I cannot eat that food. True, I'm not like I will not only eat it. I even make that soup last month, December. So I just ate it once, very day I made the soup. I didn't eat it again, the soup finished, because I don't like it. I like my egusi to wet, it will look just the way it is right now. Here is my perfect egusi soup. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on supporting my channel, and God bless you all. Bye for now. See you for my next video.
Alright, Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. A place where you can learn how to cook. A place where you can enhance your cooking performance. Alright, Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Oh, Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Blessed Kitchen TV. Alright.